Tarot cards, Birds editions. Question 1. Which bird is often associated with the Fool card in tarot? Is it A. Owl, B. Raven, C. Eagle, or D. Magpie? Tarot cards, Birds editions. Question 2. In the tarot, which bird is commonly linked to the Death card, symbolizing transformation and rebirth? Is it A. Crow, B. Vulture, C. Phoenix, or D. Seagull? Tarot cards, Birds editions. Question 3. Which bird is typically depicted on the Six of Swords card, representing a journey or transition? Is it A. Swan, B. Heron, C. Pelican, or D. Albatross? Tarot cards, Birds editions. Question 4. In the tarot, which bird is often associated with the Ace of Cups, symbolizing emotional renewal and love? Is it A. Dove, B. Hummingbird, C. Peacock, or D. Sparrow? Tarot cards, Birds editions. Question 5. Which bird is commonly seen on the Nine of Pentacles card, representing abundance and self-sufficiency? Is it A. Peacock, B. Falcon, C. Hawk, or D. Robin? Answers 1 to 5. 1. Answer B. Raven. 2. 1. Answer C. Phoenix. 3. Answer A. Swan. 4. Answer A. Dove. 5. Answer A. Peacock. Also, don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and follow us for more fun trivia questions. Thanks.